Hey, food is Chef Pete, Carpizzo's Kitchen, part of Heal, Eat, and Teach on YouTube and Facebook. Okay, remember, we have playlists, lots of them. Take a look at the playlists and you will see how I took this meat today that we're going to do and I scored it and tenderized it before I made this beautiful soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, beautiful marinade. This has been marinated overnight in the refrigerator and we're going to cook this in the air fryer today and we're going to do it at 400 degrees. But before I get to that, I want to remind everyone, I am not here to win the gold medal award for cooking. It's true I had a restaurant and I had it with my husband partner and I know what I'm talking about. But I don't care how anyone does anything. I'm giving you all ideas on how to do it. Either do it or don't do it. Do it my way. Take just a little bit of something out of it and make it your own way. Make it your own way for your families. Remember what I say. I do it my way and you do it your way. Okay, let's get on with this. All right, so I have a flank steak which I tenderized. And what we're going to do, this is really simple, is take this flank steak out of the marinade. And God, don't throw the marinade out. We're going to put it in this little bowl over here. And we're going to set it right there. And what we're going to do with this is we are going to put it into the air fryer oven at 400. And depending on how you like it done, all right, about 5 to 6 minutes on each side if you want it medium rare. 7 minutes each side if you want, or 15 minutes total if you want to go medium well, okay? Cook it to your doneness, how you like it. You guys know how to do that. I'm going to do it the way we like it, okay? So you do it the way you like it, and I'll do it the way we like it, okay? Take some little granules of things that I'm teaching you how to do, because for those of you that haven't heard, I was a chef. We owned a restaurant. I know what I'm talking about, and give it all a try. You'll save some money and you will make your budget stretch out and feed your family healthy, satisfying, tasting food. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's. We'll show you after how this looks on the plate when I carve this meat and it is cooked. And I'm going to do this now. Turn on the air fryer. So this is always wishing you the best. Subscribe if you haven't. Go to the playlist. All the recipes are there. This is Peter Carpizzo's out.